I do want to get into a couple quick styles with the long Luxe head wrap versus the Infinity head wrap. So I have had some customers who were confused about the difference between the Infinity head wrap and the long Luxe red hat and the long Luxe head wraps. So I do want to quickly do a demonstration and show you guys the side by side. So here is an Infinity head wrap, and what makes it Infinity is the fact that it's all connected. It's seamless, right? There's no seam. So these head wraps are really convenient for those of you who don't know how to wrap it and do all those fun styles with it. You can simply put your hair through it like a sock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just quickly put my hair up in a messy bun. I'm not even gonna use a hair tie. It's just, I just literally just plop my hair on top of my head. So I'm going to put the Infinity head wrap on. Like so. This is one way to wear it. You can wear it so that the curls are exposed a bit, which is, you know, my go-to, my favorite way to wear head wraps in general. Okay, so you see how simple that was? I literally just slid my hair into it. And now I'm gonna show you the same exact way, but with the long Luxe head wrap. So this is the Infinity head wrap in the color red, and they are restocked. I have a bunch of new head wraps in stock, new Infinity head wraps in stock, and I've restocked some of the existing ones, so definitely go check out KeishaCharmaine.com to see. So now I'm going to do the same exact style, but with the long Luxe head wrap. So this is a little bit more complex. So while this way may be a bit harder to achieve, it is worth it because I do believe that it gives a level of character that the Infinity head wraps just don't. The Infinity head wraps are more beginner friendly. They're more user friendly. They're just easier. You know, anybody can wear an Infinity head wrap simply. So that's a pro for the Infinity head wrap. But a pro for the long Luxe head wrap is that the way that you can style it brings more character to your style, more dimension to your style. It brings more of an element of elegance and regality with seeing the layers of the wrapping, right? Here is my version of the previous style with the long Luxe head wrap. Let me know what you think. And this long Luxe head wrap is in the color Candy Apple Red. So we have the Candy Apple Red long Luxe head wrap, and then we have the red Infinity head wrap. So I hope that this demo really showed you guys the difference.